Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, alloy wheels, technology package, third row seating, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.